morning. So I need to tell you about these KFC's chicken and waffles. I haven't seen the commercials talking about we back. Well, when were you here? Because I don't remember seeing the commercials for the chicken and waffles. Anyway, I'm all hyped. I want to try the chicken and waffles, right? I want to try them. It needed to be said chicken and cornbread. That's what it was. That waffle was so dense. It was not fluffy. It was not airy. It was not a waffle. They put cornbread mix in a waffle maker. Let's keep it real, KFC. That's what you did, right? Is that what you did? That's what you did? That's what they did, brother. But, brother, I know you're in Italy and everything for work, you know, because, you know, you're in the Air Force. Is there a KFC in Italy? Can you even try these chicken and cornbreads? I won't call it what it is. Chicken and cornbread. Chicken and